How far into the alphabet by countries can you get in 1 minute while solving Rubik's Cubes?
I think I can get up to the letter N.
Go!
Algeria, Belgium, Cuba, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Gabon, Hungary, India, Jamaica,
Nice.
Latvia.
What about Kate?
Okay, Kiribati, but I don't know if that begins.
Yes, that is. Yep.
Okay. Myanmar. Does that count?
What about L?
So L, Latvia, Mozambique,
Yep.
and Nigeria.
Great job so far with the cubes.
Oh God.
And your time is up.
That's it.
Thank you very much for appearing on Talk to the Nation. That was brilliant.
Thank you very much for having me.